Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Trello to manage SaaS product releases, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to Trello's website. Log into your existing account or create a new one if necessary. Once you're logged in, click on the Create New Board button. Name your board something descriptive, like SaaS product releases. Select a background color or image that fits your brand. Now you need to create lists for different stages of your release process. Start with a list named Backlog for ideas and features yet to be prioritized. Next, create a list called In Progress to track features actively being developed. Add a list titled Testing for features that are ready for quality assurance. Finally, create a list called Released for completed features. Click on the Add a Card button under the backlog list to start adding tasks. Include important details in each card, like the feature description and deadlines. Assign team members to specific cards using the members feature. Use labels to categorize cards by feature type or priority. Consider setting due dates to ensure timely progress. Enable the checklist feature on cards to break tasks into manageable steps. To keep track of overall progress, utilize the calendar power-up for deadlines. Integrate other necessary tools through Trello's power-ups, like Slack or Google Drive. Encourage team communication by commenting on cards when discussing tasks. Regularly review your lists in team meetings to assess progress and reprioritize. Use the archive feature to keep your board clean as tasks get completed. This setup will allow you to have a clear visual representation of your product release process. As your product grows, continue to adjust your lists and cards to fit your team's workflow. Test different configurations to find the setup that works best for your needs. Celebrate milestones by moving cards to the release list, keeping the team motivated. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.